Before question number 33, it's given that as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So this is, let's say, the 75-meter high lighthouse. And the angles of depression of two ships. So let's say the two ships are in the same line, and this is the position of ship A, and this is the position of ship B. So this is A, B, C, and D. CD is the height of the lighthouse, which is 75-meter high, and the angle of depression of the two ships from the lighthouse. So these are the angle of depressions of the two ships from the lighthouse, and these are found to be 30 and 60 degrees. So the farther one will be the smallest one. This is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, and this one is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree. Now we have to find the distance of the two ships. It's given that we have to take the value of root 3 is equal to 1.73, and the distance between the ships is AB. So AB we have to find out. Let's declare what we have assumed. So CD is equal to 75 meter, B the height of lighthouse. Okay. Now I will go with the triangle which is the smaller one, that is in right angle triangle BDC. I will use tan and find out the distance BC. So in right angle triangle BCD, which is right angle at C, let me use tan 60, which gives me DC by BC, and tan 60 is root 3, so DC is 75 BC. And if we cross multiply this, so this gives us BC is equal to 75 by root 3, and rationalizing this with root 3 gives 75 root 3 divided by 3, which is 25, and that is equal to 25 root 3. So BC is 25 root 3, and we have to find the distance of AB. Now we have one more right triangle, which is the bigger one, and in the right angle triangle ACD, which is right angle at C. I'm once again going to use the ratio tan 30, which is equal to DC by AC. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3, DC is 75, and AC can be broken into AB plus BC. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 75. AB we have to find out, and BC it's 25 root 3. And let's cross multiply this, which gives us AB plus 25 root 3 is equal to 75 root 3, and AB is equal to 75 root 3 minus 25 root 3, which is 25. Okay, 75 minus 25 is 50 root 3, and it's given in the question that we have to take the value of root 3 as 1.73. 1.73, so let's substitute the value, and 173 into 5 is 5 3s are 15. It's 15, 7 further 35, 36, 8. So this is 8650, and this is 86.5 meter is the distance between the ships. Let's move on to second part. So second part, for the second part, let's get some space on the board. Okay. Okay, now for the second part, it's given that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 30-meter high building. So let's say this is the 30-meter high building, and on top of this we have fixed a transmission tower. So this is the height of the building, which is 30 meter, and on top of that we have fixed a tower, transmission tower, and it's given that from a point on the ground. So let's say this is a horizontal ground, and there's a point on the ground. From here, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top, so bottom of the tower is here. So from the bottom, There's the angle of elevation, and from the top we have the angle of elevation at the ground, and these angle of elevation are 30 and 60 degrees. So this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree with the top. We have to find the height of the transmission tower, given that root 3 is equal to 1.73. We have to take the value of root 3 is equal to 1.73. And let's label this. This is, let's say, A, B, C, and D. And we have to find the height of the tower. So let AB be the height of the tower, and BC is equal to 30 meter, B height of the building. Now, as usual, let's start with the smaller right angle triangle. So in right angled triangle BCD, which is right angled at C. So right angled triangle BCD, it's tan 30, that is equal to DC by DC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. We know the value of BC, which is 30, and it's DC. So cross multiplying this gives DC is equal to 30 root 3 meters. So we have got the value of DC. Now let's use the bigger one, the right angle triangle. So in right angle, the triangle, that is ACD, it's tan 60, that is equal to AC by DC. Now tan 60, value of tan 60 is root 3. AC can be broken into AB plus BC. So this is AB plus BC by DC. Now let's put in their values. So the value of AB, so it's root 3 is equal to AB. We have to find out the value of AB plus BC is 30, and DC is 30 root 3. If we cross multiply this, this is AB plus 30 is equal to 30 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, so this is 90, and AB. So AB is equal to 90 minus 30, which is equal to 60 meters. So height of the transmission tower is 60 meter. So height of the transmission tower is 60 meter. We can write that height of transmission tower is equal to 60 meters. Okay, and this finishes our question number 30. This was question number 33, and let's move on to question number 34.